I'm going to install my favorite program in his computer. Hee 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 hee. Oh, come on. Barney, what are you doing in my computer?
Color hexadecimal 5D5351 scratch cat.
You better check this out. Barney, you should not be installing this malware. Oh, come on, I want to show you it anyways. Oh, fine, I will quit.
Are you sure you want to quit? Are you sure you want to quit?
Oh no! Don't say Barney did something bad.
He absolutely did there, Scratch Cat. He installed Barney operating system on my $5 million Ectic RGB gaming PC with RTX 69420 graphics card running Windows 11 build 22000.918 and 100 petabytes of SSD storage with 69 USB drives and has a DVD and a floppy disk drive.
Oh! Barney! How dare you install Barney OS on Trolsom's computer? You know that is illegal to install your programs. That's it. You are grounded forever. We will install Barney OS on Trolsom's computer, so go to your room and never come back.